Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit Diamante Rivets with a hand tool set. So your hand tools will come in two parts. You're going to have this base here, which is going to work as your anvil, and you'll have this tubular like part here, which is what you're going to use to knock through the backing plate. So it should be very simple. Effectively, you take your Diamante Rivets. Here I have a 10mm Diamante Rivet in purple. I've got some material here. This is just a cork fabric, and we have our little backing plate. So I'm going to show you how I would fit this, and there's a bit of a technique to it. So we take our rivet and we turn it upside down, and that sits on your anvil, pointing up. I'm going to take my material, and we need to fit this upside down. I'll take my backing plate, I'm going to put this with my tool, and then I'm going to place my material over the top just to hold it in place. Let's move it along a little bit. There we go. A little more central. I'm going to take my tool. We should just be able to place it onto the rivet. I'm going to unfold my fabric again, just like that, and then we can hammer this through. Take this off, and probably could go a little more. So again, back on, make sure it's sitting straight. Fantastic, okay, and there we have Diamante Rivet all set in place with the backing plate on the rear end.